I'm sorry about my hands. The rest of my arm is fine, and then you just get to my fingers and it's like, not the best. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing the I don't really know what I was going to say then. It's basically been talked about a lot. The ZOELLA COLOURPOP Brunch collection. I have the full collection here and I'm going to be doing a completely honest review. This was gifted to me as a PR package, but I'm going to be showing you guys all of these products, showing you how they work, telling you what I honestly think of them, and I have not actually watched anyone's video on this yet, so I have no idea what to expect. I'm really excited to dive in. I think it looks really cute. Like, for starters, the packaging is really cute, but we're just gonna dive in and see what we think. Okay, so first off, you can actually order from the ColourPop website if you are in the UK. I always used to order like liquid lipsticks and highlighters off of their website, but I would wait until they had like a deal, and you get free global shipping if you spend over $50. Sometimes I would ask my friends if they wanted anything and we would do like a multi-order so we could split the shipping. For the entire set, which is what I've got here, which includes the makeup bag, it's $89. For the makeup bag by itself, which is just a kind of clear makeup bag that says brunch date on it, and then it's got these like fried eggs with love hearts on them, just for the makeup bag it's $10. The eyeshadow palette, which is the big one in here, is $18, which I think is pretty decent. The lip bundles are $11.50 and you get a liquid lipstick and a lip liner. The liquid eyeshadow set, you get two of their, I think they're called Supernova shadows, are $14. The individual liquid lipsticks are $6.50. The highlighters are $8, and then the cream gel eyeliners are $5. So it's pretty affordable. And I just want to say quickly, I saw a lot of people being like, why did they pick ZOELLA to do a collab? They should give it to somebody that's like a proper makeup artist, blah blah blah. First of all, I've watched her videos for a long time and I always used to see her mention the ColourPop liquid lipsticks. That's actually the reason that I went out and bought them. So she clearly is like a ColourPop fan. It's not like a completely random collaboration. And I kind of get what people mean about people saying like, oh, other makeup artists should do it. But let's be real. If you guys were given the opportunity to collaborate with one of your favorite makeup brands, you're not gonna say no. And obviously like Zoe is like a massive kind of well-known YouTuber person in the beauty industry anyway, even if she doesn't do that many makeup tutorials anymore. I don't know. I think everyone just needs to chill out, enjoy the makeup. So I have the highlighter and I've also got the blush. The packaging just looks like this. It's like a little fried egg type of thing. The whole collection is themed around brunch because why the heck not? Theme it around food. Kind of love that. I mean, the actual packaging colours itself I'm not the biggest fan on because pink is not my favourite colour and yellow is not my favourite colour, but I still think it's quite cute. You get a big mirror in here, which is pretty good. So that is the highlighter, which is called Swipe Right. Is that a Tinder reference? And then the blush is in the exact same packaging, and this is called Soulmate, and the blush looks like this, which looks really pretty. I'm just going to quickly shove on a bit of bronzer because I completely forgot to do this before. This is the Physicians Formula one. Does anyone else like pull an angry face when they do their bronzer to try and like pull their forehead down a bit, or is that just me being weird? My knuckles. Oh dear. So I'm then gonna use the blush. Wait, let me just take the... Oh, this is quite a tough one to peel. So I'm just gonna go in with the blush. I'm kind of scared. I think it's matte. It just looks like a very pale sort of pink colour. Okay, it's not too pigmented, which is good because sometimes, you know, like sometimes when you dip into a blush and then it's just like, yes, that definitely made sense. Ooh, I like it. It's just a super subtle kind of pretty wash of pink. It is matte. I don't think there's any sort of sheen in there, but that's actually a really pretty blush colour. It's quite sheer, like it doesn't go on too heavy, but I really like that. Then the highlighter is what I'm most interested in because I've only tried ColourPop's, what are they called? Super Shock Cheek highlighters, like the cream to powder ones. But I think this one is a pressed powder. I'm glad that I have a bit of tan on because it does seem quite dark. Ooh, interesting. Okay. It's kind of like a duochrome-y. Ooh, okay, right. It's like a duochrome sort of colour. Can you see that? I don't think you actually can. And it seems like it kind of has a peachy pink shift. Okay, that is incredibly subtle. Can you guys see that there on my cheek? It's just giving me like a tiny bit of sheen. It's very natural looking. I normally like to go for something that's a bit more blinding. However, it does look very smooth on my skin. Maybe if you wanted something that was a bit more... Ooh, actually, I feel like it kind of gives a really nice like smoothing effect on my cheek. But it is a very sort of subtle highlighter that gives like a tiny bit of glow and a tiny bit of like a peachy sort of tint to your cheeks. It's definitely nothing like ColourPop's other highlighters, which is super blinding. I mean, it does give like a really nice dewy finish to your cheek, but for me personally, I like something to be like bam on my cheek, you know what I mean? Then it is pretty, but it's not like my favorite. I think I prefer ColourPop's other highlighters, I'm not gonna lie. I normally go for something that's like champagne-y, sort of gold. I feel like it's not really showing up at all on my brow bone. Let's try it on my inner corners. Okay, so again, it's just extremely subtle. Okay, so moving on to the eye stuff. I've got the Brunch Date Pressed Powder Palette. I just gotta say, the packaging for this is so cute. It's like a waffle with some syrup on it and strawberries and blueberries. So the packaging has got little like waffles on it and pancakes and little eggs and strawberries that are love heart shaped. I think this is actually really cute. And then on the back, again, it's got the shade names. Okay, right, the shade names are on the back of the box, the back of the palette, but they're also written on the inside. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw pictures of this, I wasn't kind of like overly excited. I don't know, I have a lot of very similar palettes to this, and then there's like a random pop of blue, which I don't think I would really use, but if you do like to do some like fun pops of colour, maybe like on your lower lash line, or if you wanted to do a blue smoky eye, then there is that option there, but to be honest, I don't think I'd really use it. It's pretty much a neutrals palette with a blue. Oh, the names are so cute. Champagne Toast, Pancakes Please, French Toast, Skinny Latte. And then I've also got the Supernova eyeshadow bundle. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at the packaging. They come in these little kind of, it reminds me of like a milk container or something. So when I first got these out, I was like, oh no, they've sent me two of the same one, but they are actually different when I swatch them on my hand. We have the shade OG, and then we've got Bellini. So OG is kind of like this, oh, this one is stunning. Oh my God. It's like a champagne sort of pale rose gold, but it's got a ton of glitter in it, and it's so stunning. I hope this comes out like this on my eyes. And then Bellini is kind of like a darker rose gold, but it doesn't have the glitter in it. So that one there is Bellini. You can see it's a little bit darker and it doesn't have the same glitter in it. So that's those two there. Hopefully you can kind of see the differences. Why did I wear a white jumper for a makeup testing video? That was a terrible idea. So I think what I'm going to do is mostly use the palette, and then I'll finish off with one of these, probably the glittery one, I'm not going to lie. So I'm going to go in with the shade Maple Syrup first. I was about to lie to you. I was going to say I've never actually tried ColourPop's pressed eyeshadows, but I have, because I have the Kathleen Lights palette. Ooh, okay. That's just a really nice warm brown transition. Okay, maybe I lied about there not being very many warm shades in here, because there's a couple. Okay, so far that's nice. It's really pigmented. It's blending nicely. The colour scheme for this kind of reminds me of one of the... Is it one of the Kylie Jenner palettes? Okay, so that colour is really nice. It's a really nice, just kind of warm transition. I'm then going to go in with... Let's go in with Mimosa, which is slightly darker. Ooh, yes. That's also really pretty. It's just a slightly darker version of the other colour. I'm then gonna go in with the shade called French Toast, which is like a burgundy purple. This one's gonna be interesting because I know a lot of the time these types of colours do not go down that well, especially when they're matte. Oh my God, I'm scared for my jumper right now. I'm trying to like wing it out without it getting too messy. Okay, so that one blended out okay. It's gone a tiny bit patchy, just like here on the outer corner. So I'm just gonna go in with the second layer of that one and try and like build it up a little bit. What do you guys think so far? Let me know. It's gonna blend over those edges again. Okay, so it's quite cute. It hasn't blended perfectly. There's a little bit of patchiness, I'm not gonna lie, but like I think it looks fine like when I'm just looking straight ahead. It's only when I kind of like do this and stretch my eyelid that you can see where it's gone patchy. I'm just gonna try the other side. Like it's definitely pigmented, you can see that when I first lay it down. I don't think I've ever tried a burgundy purple colour that's matte that doesn't go patchy. I don't know what it is with this particular shade, but It just seems to be a hard one to master. So this is what the eyeshadow is looking like. I feel like it looks a little bit better on this eye. I'm just not the best at getting my eyes even. But can you guys see what I mean? Like, it's gone a tiny little bit patchy. But when I've actually got my eyes open, you really can't like see it. It's only if I do this. I'm just gonna swatch all of the shimmers because why the heck not? Champagne Toast. Oh my god, that looks so nice. Skinny Latte, which is this one. Oh my god, these feel gorgeous. Cinnamon Sugar. Wow, okay, these shimmers feel beautiful. Oh my gosh, okay, these are gorgeous. Like, look at those. Right, let's swatch the rest of the shimmers. Sunday Funday is kind of like a burgundy-ish pink toned colour, but it looks like it's got some like glitters in it. It's kind of like duochrome gold. Oh my god, look at that shade. It's like a goldeny pinky colour. And then the final one is called Extra Slice. I think this might be a matte with like glitters in it. Yeah, okay. It's definitely not a shimmer. Oh wait, I missed one. Sunny Side Up, which is the pink. Okay, that one's not quite as like foily as the other ones. It's more of like a satiny sort of one, but oh my god, the rest of them are stunning. And then this brown chocolatey one. Oh wow, okay. It's a matte brown, but it's got like gold glitters in it. I think I'm gonna go for the shade... Wait, before I do that, I'm just gonna use the shades that I used on my lid, just on my lower lash line. So I think I'm gonna go for the shade called Skinny Latte, which is this one. And I'm just gonna see how this applies with the brush, but if it doesn't go on that great, I'll use my finger. Oh wow, that's so pretty. This one's also got kind of like glitters in it. Okay, so it goes on okay with the brush, but I genuinely think this will apply so much better with my finger. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's stunning. What the heck? It's like a bronzy kind of shimmer, but it's got like silver glitters in it. Oh, wow. Okay, I know I sound like I'm being overly dramatic right now, but that shade is genuinely stunning. Okay, so I do have a little tiny bit of fallout on my face, which I'm just gonna sweep away. Can you see this color on my lid? How stunning is that? Then on my inner corners, I'm gonna use the shade Champagne Toast. I'm so glad that there's an inner corner shade in here because I love my palettes to have like a bright color for my inner corners. Okay, that's gorgeous. Let's also put that on my brow bone. Oh my god, I kind of don't want to use the Supernova ones now because that looks so nice, but I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna try a bit of Sunday Funday on my lid over the top of that just to see. Oh! Okay, I know I'm layering too many eyeshadows over the top of each other, but what the heck? I just want to test them, but the shimmers in this palette are stunning. Okay, maybe I have too much eyeshadow on now, but I'm then gonna go in with the Supernova shadow in OG, which is the glittery one. You know what, let's just bring it kind of halfway across, and then I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna like blend it into the other shade so you can kind of see both. Oh my god, that is also stunning. Like, look at the glitter in that. Also, you can make the easiest cut crease with this type of product because you literally just paint it on. Okay, so wow. Those eyeshadows are absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting the palette to be nice, but I kind of wasn't expecting to be that impressed by it. But I think just the shimmers alone, like especially this shade, this shade, this shade, and this shade are absolutely stunning. And even though I had a couple issues of the purple being a little bit patchy, I think overall, like, it looks really pretty. Okay, I know I've made a bit of a mess because I layered like 3 shimmer eyeshadows over the top of each other, but that palette is really nice actually. I think it's just that one purple shade that's like a bit not the best. I'm just gonna apply some liner and lashes, well, like mascara, and then I will be back to do the lips. Okay, wait, I just realized I've got 2 eyeliners which I haven't used yet. These are, again, part of the collection. Creme Gel Eyeliner. I have the shades Sincerely Yours and XOXO. Oh, is that a Gossip Girl reference? The packaging is orange. When I first opened these, I was like, oh, I don't really want an orange eyeliner. But the actual colours inside are not orange. This one, which is called Sincerely Yours, is like a dark brown. Okay, that's that one there. And they're just like a twist up stick. This is how much product. Okay, oh my gosh, okay, you get a decent amount of product. Please don't snap. So that's that one. And then I think the other one is just black. No, let's go for the black in my upper tight line. Okay, it's pretty pigmented. Oh, I've got it on my lens though. That's really gonna annoy me. So it feels really creamy. I don't really know what else to say about it. Actually, let's see if my micellar water will take it off easily. Okay, so it does have some kind of like non-smudge element to it because it took me a few swipes. Okay, now I'll be back. I'm back. And wait, let me just give you a close-up of the eyes now they're done. I am actually obsessed with how my eyes look right now. I think that glitter is just so stunning. Also, if you're wondering, I used the Benefit roller liner, which I've really been liking recently. It hasn't dried up on me yet, it's still going strong. And then my mascara is the Mascara Revolution by Revolution. Okay, let's move on to the final thing, which is the lip bundles. I've got 3 of them here. So you get a lippy pencil and then you get an ultra matte lip. Packaging is really cute again. Oh, yes. So this is the Little One lip liner and the Little One ultra matte lip. Oh my god, it's just a nude colour. Wait, do these twist up? Oh no, I think you have to sharpen them. That looks like my perfect sort of nude shade. Then we have Self Love Club matte lip with Bossy lip pencil. This one is a kind of bright pinky red, and then it comes with a matching lip liner. I'm not really sure if I would wear this sort of colour. And then the final set is the At Me Ultra Matte Lip and the Oh Snap pencil. Oh my god, this one's also gorgeous. This is another nude, but it's more of like a, oh my god, that is actually stunning. This is more of like a purpley sort of nude. And this one's sort of more of like a peachy nude. Can you see the differences? Let's swatch them. So this is the Little One, that's that one there. This one is At Me, which is more of like a mauvey nude. Ooh, oh my god, that's stunning. And then the final one is Self Love Club, which is like a bright red. That's a really bright red. I'm gonna go for Little One because I feel like this is probably gonna be the most popular. And this one just complements the eyes so nice. Oh, I forgot to use the lip liner. That colour is gorgeous. I actually just want to swatch the lip liners to see what the texture of them is like. Okay, so they feel like super creamy, like they really easily draw. It's literally the exact same colour. The formula of this feels exactly the same as all of ColourPop's other liquid lipsticks, which is really nice. I like the formula of the ColourPop ones. They're not too drying. They are a little bit dry, so if you do have very dry lips, then maybe you won't like them. So I think my favourite thing is probably the Supernova shadows and also like the shimmers from the palette. I also really love this lip colour. I think it's gorgeous. My lips are definitely uneven. I think that's gorgeous. The highlight I can kind of take or leave. The blush I can take or leave. It was still really pretty and I think I'll definitely get use out of that blush, but it's just very like sheer and natural. It is a pretty blush, but I would say that the standout thing from the collection is probably the Supernova shadow, like the glittery one that I've put on. But overall, I think my makeup looks really nice. Just like catching myself in the mirror over there. Like, I don't know, I think it looks really nice. I am very happy with it. Oh, somebody said that I didn't seem like myself in my previous video. It's probably because the night before, like, I'd had 3 hours of sleep because of jet lag. So yeah, I was super tired in my previous video. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them down below with the hashtag question of the day. I'm just gonna pick one right now. Lisa Poles said, question of the day, is that a sunburn on your scalp? Yes, oh my god. Okay, I think it's better now. It's back to kind of more regular colour, but my scalp got so sunburnt when I was in Miami because I didn't bring a cap with me and I kind of forgot that my scalp is also susceptible to sunburn, and we were walking around a lot in like the full blazing sun. Yes, my scalp got really burnt on that trip and brushing my hair afterwards was not fun, but I think it's better now. So little tip, if you burn easily, don't forget about your head because it still burns. Okay, so that is it from me. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I would love to know any of your thoughts and comments down below. If you aren't already subscribed, I would also love it if... I feel like words were just coming out my brain and I just couldn't keep up with them. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!